we have gotten a NSF grant through what's called Harnessing the Data Revolution, which is a major research thrust for the NSF. And we put forward a proposal to create the Baltimore Regional Data Science Core. We want to use this National Science Foundation grant to help students not only gain skills in computing and artificial intelligence and even virtual reality, geographic information systems, which is what we're teaching them, but also use those skills with a data social good in mind. And 5 students from the University of Baltimore every semester will be a part of that Baltimore Regional Data Science Core.
You have the opportunity to be mentored by people who are really good at what they do, and that's not something you get elsewhere. I met people from the mayor's office. You realize that, oh, I'm in a Zoom call with an executive from Google. How cool is that? Talking about data, and then it's just like it's a good way to network, and it's also a good way to learn.
Our students get a $2,500 stipend every semester that they're with us as a fellow, as a student, as a part of the Data Science Core. And they get not only this training from BINIA staff and other faculty at these 4 area institutions, but they get connected to an organization that's doing good work and helping improve the quality of life in the city of Baltimore.
UB is University of Baltimore. It's also the university for Baltimore. So it's good that you have projects like the Baltimore Neighborhood Indicators Alliance, which just focuses entirely, immersively on Baltimore issues, and it's housed within UB.
Data science is such a critical skill for the 21st century because there's only going to be more and more and more data, and we need people to be able to manage that data, wrangle with it, and actually produce something that actually makes sense for folks that are trying to improve cities like Baltimore.